What's the meaning of abrogate? Abrogate. 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 To abrogate means to cancel or repeal something, especially a law or treaty. It is a formal and serious act, and can have significant consequences. For example, if a country abrogates a treaty with another country, it may lead to a breakdown in relations and even war. In some cases, abrogation may be necessary to protect the interests of a country or its citizens. However, it is always a decision that should be made carefully, with full consideration of the potential consequences. Here are some examples of how the word abrogate can be used in a sentence. The government abrogated the law that prohibited same-sex marriage. The treaty was abrogated after both countries agreed that it was no longer in their best interests. The company abrogated its contract with the supplier after the supplier failed to meet its obligations.